guys, Sean from Untitled Chapter here. Today I wanted to show off our 2021 Suburban High Country. So this is the most loaded Suburban we've had, probably the most loaded vehicle we have on the lot. It has pretty well every option aside from the ZL1's performance track mode that you can put in a Chevy. So first thing I wanted to point out, it has the adaptive air ride suspension. So this is in 4 low right now at its highest setting. So it actually has 4 inches of travel play. It can go from up here to actually dropping down 2 inches below the standard ride height for when you park, so you can get out nice and easy. To also help you get out nice and easy, it has the new style power folding running boards. So when you crack the door, it'll open up. You can turn them on and off. But as you'll see, when it folds up, it goes at a nice angle. Still gives you a lot of clearance and a lot of kind of protection too. But if you want to come inside, I'll show you a couple other really cool things about this Suburban and what makes it so special. All right, so here I am in the driver's seat. You're back there in the passenger row. It's super comfortable back there. You have the brand new gigantic touch screens. You can pull up navigation, you can stream music, videos, all that kind of fun stuff from the screen. If you look up, you actually have a gigantic panoramic sunroof back there. And if you're still not comfortable, maybe you want a cup holder. It actually has a power sliding cup holder for the back row here. On top of that, you get a couple of extra drawers, a little bit extra storage space up here. Of course, is the conventional top open console. So yeah, as far as your rear row passengers go, they're going to be entertained, comfortable, and stylish. I guess it's such a nice looking vehicle. If you want to come hop up front, I'll point out a couple of the driver features. Of course, being the Suburban, part of the reason you're looking at a Suburban is because it is 4x4 instead of just all-wheel drive. This particular High Country also has the AutoTrack 4x4, so if you put in auto, you're going to make sure you and the family are safe, even on an icy highway. Of course, you get memory seats as well, so if there's going to be multiple people driving this vehicle, they're both going to have their settings saved. Dual zone climate control, heated and air conditioned seats, wireless phone charger, and that's all just comfortability features. As far as driver safety features, you have lane keep assist, parking sensors, your hill start assist, automatic headlights, heads up display, the streaming rear view camera that you can tilt to increase the brightness and zoom, and then of course you also get the 360-degree camera. So when you turn your wheels, it'll show you exactly where this longer vehicle is going to go, so it makes parking easy and kind of fun too. And then right here too, if you haven't seen the new Suburbans, they have a new shift style. It's a really cool, simple button system right there. Really sleek and streamlined. Yeah, dual zone climate control actually has tri-zone, so you can have a different temperature for the kids in the back or whoever is back there. Heated steering wheel, so your fingers will be nice and warm. Keyless entry. Remote start from your phone with the My Chevrolet app. Basically, this thing is just absolutely loaded. Wireless Apple CarPlay as well, so you don't even need to plug in to pull up your Google Maps and listen to your podcasts, send your text messages. Yeah, really, you have to come and see them for yourself. They're super comfortable, super roomy. The Suburban, of course, is huge, and they've only made it even more comfortable.